We concentrate on topics about the vajayjay. Oh, put jik there. Oh, put hot water there. Oh, put chlorine. Oh, scrub it with sugar. Oh, there's a new product in the market that you need to insert there so that I don't know you can smell nice. Oh, like so many things. Katerina, hey. Yeah. Missing someone. I wanna look at you, baby guitar girl, Katerina. Hey, you say my lover, I deserve her. Hey. Good morning, guys. How you doing? If you're new here, karibu sana. I go by the name Vivian Odhiambo, aka Fashion Girl Kenya, aka mtoto wa Homa Bay County. Today, let's talk about personal hygiene, right? Let's just talk about general hygiene. So it's okay if you guys decide that you're going to wash your vajayjay. Scrub it with jik, put chlorine there, scrub it with the sugar, scrub it with honey. Use every new product that is in the market to scrub your vajayjay. It's okay, it's yours, despite the fact that doctors tell us each and every day that the vagina is self-cleansing. That you don't need to dodge is inserting things in there. Anyway, I'm not here to talk about the vajayjay. I'm here to talk about the basic things that we often forget as women and as men generally. Okay? I want to ask you a quick question. Tell me, if you're a man or a woman and you wear studs, when was the last time you actually removed your studs and cleaned them? You and I both know very well how the studs smell, the ear rather smells badly. When was the last time you actually removed the earring, put it in mentholated spirit or surgical spirit, took a cotton wool, wiped your ear? Even when you remove these earrings, this kind of earrings, when you remove them, when was the last time you actually did that? I know most of the time in our busy schedules we forget, yeah, because we shower in a hurry, do everything in a hurry, and we wear the earrings and we forget about the rest of the things. If you're female, most of the time we concentrate on the vajayjay. We concentrate on topics about the vajayjay. Oh, put jik there. Oh, put hot water there. Oh, put chlorine. Oh, scrub it with sugar. Oh, there's a new product in the market that you need to insert there so that I don't know you can smell nice. Oh, like so many things. And while you're concentrating over the vajayjay, we forget about the basic important tips, basic important parts of our bodies that we need to take care of on a day-to-day basis. I just want to encourage you, like once a week, you see the way you do thorough cleaning for your house, like you remove everything and clean every part of your house. I'd encourage you, once a week, make it a self-care day. Use that one day to thorough clean, deep clean your entire body, the parts of your body that you often forget during the week, because during the week we shower in a hurry, yeah, boom 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 boom, and we are out, right? We shower in a way that, you know what, I just need to remove the sweat for yesterday, and so long as I put on cologne, I'm smelling nice, I'm good. You forget about your ear, and then even inside here you forget. Just take a cloth right now, take a wet cloth, wipe the inside of your ear like this and like this. Tell me if if the cloth won't remain black or brown, whatever color. It's going to be dirty because your ear is dirty. It needs to be wiped on a daily basis. Like when you're showering, some people forget. Wipe that part of your ear like this. Sawa. Another part that we almost always forget, especially the men, the females at least we try, the men, your neck. You'll hear someone say that me shingo yangu inakuanga hivi, I have hyperpigmentation. Yes, some people it's hyperpigmentation, but some people, wewe tu shingo yako ni chafu, you don't scrub your neck, it's dirty. Try this with me right now. Do this test like this. Scrub your neck right now and tell me. The people who wash their neck, you won't see that. But the people who don't, you'll see that. Shingo yako ni chafu. Osha shingo. Panguza masikio. Okay? Okay. Another part of the body that we often forget, you'll hear ladies saying, oh, my lips are chapped, or this lipstick is making my lips chapped, is discoloring my lips. Yes, it could be true. There are some lipstick that discolor your lips, they dry your lips. It's true. But also, on the flip side, it could be that your lips just need to be scrubbed. There are so many easy ways you can scrub your lips. You can use sugar and honey. There's a sugar and honey recipe for how to scrub your lips. You can use maize flour to scrub your lips. Or, the easiest of them all, while you're brushing your teeth, scrub your lips. And you'll notice when you scrub your lips while brushing your teeth, after that when you're applying lipstick, your lips are going to be smooth. They're going to be just soft and smooth, whatever. Just try that, please. Before you say that the products are making your lips chapped, scrub your lips. See if you're still going to have dry lips. Sometimes you just need to remove the dead skin on top of your lips. Okay? Okay. While talking about brushing our teeth, do you brush your tongue? I know for some people, they don't brush their tongue. Some people say, oh, me, I have geographical tongue, so even when I brush my tongue, it won't make a difference. Yes, it will make a difference. Scrub your tongue. I know if you're not used to it, you'll feel like you're vomiting if you go far, but you can start from the tip here. Slowly, slowly, until you get used to it. Another part of the body that we often forget. You'll find a female, they've worn a backless top. And they'll tell you the same story that they have hyperpigmentation. Yes, some have hyperpigmentation. Some will tell you, oh, mi mgongo wangu maji inakuwaga tu hivi dark, nimetry products mingi inakuwaga tu hivi. No, mgongo wako ikuwagi tu hivi, because if I try scrubbing your back, I'll see that from your back. So please, just scrub your back. Scrub your back. There are body scrubs that you can just take like this. They are long cloths. You can just do this to scrub your back. Or better yet, you can just use scrub to scrub your entire body at least once a week. Self-care day, as I said, use it to scrub your entire body. Okay? Another part of the body that we forget, during the weekdays when we are taking a shower, we take a shower like boom. Bora tumeng'ara, tumeng'ara, bora si wasafi, bora tumeingia kwa maji, bora tumetoa jasho, in translation it means, oh my god, English. Translation is, it means every weekday we enter the bathroom in a hurry. We just clean ourselves just for the sake, like, I've removed all the sweat that I had. That is all that matters. And we forget so many parts of our body. Like if you do this, you forget this part, your elbow. Ebu, do a test right now. Scrub this elbow. Tell me if you won't feel that coming out. You'll be amazed. Try this part of your body. Scrub this part of your body. Tell me if you won't see that here. And then the back of your leg here, this one that joins the knee, this part. Touch it like this, tell me. And then this part again, here. Touch it like this. Tell me if it's clean. Yeah? You're going to notice that it has some things, yeah? There was a time that I was just seated. It was like a year or 2 years ago. I was just seated watching a movie and I started checking at my body. I scrubbed this part, and I was like, do I even shower? It's not that you don't shower. There are parts of the body you forget. That's why I encourage you, like, once every week. You see the way you do thorough cleaning and deep cleaning for your house, do thorough cleaning and deep cleaning for your body. Scrub your entire body with body scrub, with washcloth. Scrub your entire body. Check it out. Like, just clean your entire body step by step. When you're home during the weekend, you're free. That is the self-care day. Just put one day for self-care. Scrub your entire body. Scrub it. So That's it for me. That is what I wanted to tell you. Those are the things that we often forget. We shower in a hurry and forget these important parts of the body. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Click on that notification bell to get notified whenever I upload a new video. Bye bye.